In this video, we'll look at the mode. The value that occurs most frequently in a data set is called the mode. A data set that has only one value that occurs most frequency is called unimodal. If there are two values that have the same frequency and occur more frequently than any other, the data set is bimodal. If there are more than two values that occur with the most frequency, the data set is called multimodal. If there is no value that occurs more than once, the set has no mode. This is not the same as having a mode of 0. Public libraries. The data show the number of public libraries in a sample of 8 states. Find the mode. So here we have our data, the number of libraries that appear in 8 different states. And it's helpful, though not necessary, to put the data in order. When we do that, we see we've got 21, 77, 77, 101, 114, 159, 311, 382. 77 occurs twice, so the mode is 77. In this example, we'll look at licensed nuclear reactors. The data show the number of licensed nuclear reactors for a 15-year period. Find the mode. So here we see that the number 104 occurs 5 times and the number 109 occurs 5 times. So the modes are 104 and 109, and the data set is bimodal. Sorry. There we go. In this example, we'll look at US patent leaders. The data show the number of patents secured for the top 5 companies in a specific year. Find the mode. So our numbers are 6,180, 4,894, 2,821, 2,559, and 2,483. But since each value occurs only once, there is no mode. The mode for grouped data is called the modal class. The modal class is the class with the greatest frequency. So here we go back to the salaries of CEOs that we looked at I believe it was in our mean, or look at the mean. We want to find the modal class for the frequency distribution for the salaries of the top CEOs in the US. Well, it's pretty clear that our mode is going to be right here. The number is 13, and so the class is from 15.5 to 20.5. Since the class 15.5 to 20.5 has the largest frequency, it is the modal class. Sometimes the midpoint of the class is used. In this case, that would be 18. The mode is the only measure of central tendency that can be used in finding the most typical case when the data are nominal or categorical. So in this example, we'll look at non-alcoholic beverages. The data here show the number of gallons of various non-alcoholic drinks Americans consume in a year, and we want to find the mode. Well, here we see that Americans consume on average of 52 gallons of soft drinks a year, 34 gallons of water, 26 gallons of milk, and 21 gallons of coffee. Since the category of soft drinks has the largest frequency, 52, we can say that the mode or most typical drink is a soft drink. An extremely high or low value in a data set can have a striking effect on the mean of the data set. These extreme values are called outliers, are one reason we consider multiple measures of central tendency. So in this example, we'll look at personnel salaries. A small company consists of owner, manager, salesperson, and 2 technicians, all of whose salaries are listed below. Find the mean, median, and mode. So the owner makes $100,000 a year, the manager makes $40,000, the salesperson makes $24,000, and the technicians each make $18,000. And I will tell you right now, if I were anybody but the owner, I'd be looking for a new job. All right, so the solution, first we find the mean. So we do our mean stuff and we find out the mean is $40,000. The median is going to be the middle value, so that's $24,000. And the mode is the most frequent value, and since each technician makes $18,000, the mode is $18,000. So notice that high salary for the owner skews the mean high, and it's very different from the median and the mode, which are about $6,000 apart, whereas the mean is $16,000 more than the median and $22,000 more than the mode.